Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, my analyst. Like I said, not financial advice, not financial advice at all. Just gonna do a quick video before the market closes. We're on a little pullback right now, but it is what it is. Um, so there's a few stocks I want to look at. I don't know what the guy commented on GNS saying like it was related to TTOO. Did I even talk about that? I don't think so. Let's get back to GNS. I told you guys be careful, and unfortunately it's down again. Down 30 cents, 21%. What am I looking at? Maybe a dollar. Well, I think it did. Oh, it didn't hit a dollar. I just don't trust the CEO, guys. I just don't trust him. His name is, this is a CEO. If you guys want to know how he looks, Rogers, James Hamilton. I don't trust him. He's a known pumper. And, let me show you guys something else, right? So this right here is the SI. There's nothing, right? The short interest is non-existent. Share short, it was like what? Less than 1%. Maybe the numbers are wrong, but if you go to the cost to borrow, 100%, maybe the Ortex data is wrong, but I don't know. I just don't trust him, to be honest, right? I ran his play last time and then he rugged everybody. So, like I said, I played it back in, I think during the $7 run. Where was it? Right over here. So I remember this day, like everybody was eating, but I don't know, just be careful. I don't think it's going to delist. It's not a delist stock, but just be careful, maybe at a dollar, it might drop to a dollar. Shares, don't buy contracts. You're going to be left holding the bag. You look at the option chain right now, negative, negative. You can't look. So these guys right here, they can't sell. Here, the buy is $15, the sell is $5. Like, nah, I'm not touching it. And just be careful, right? Wait till the IP either cools down or wait till it goes to a dollar and just trades flat. And it's looking like it's already trading flat right now. If you look at volume is 10 million, so it's almost there. I'll give you an example. Remember I was telling you guys about RAD? Look at RAD right now. Where is it at? $1.84 from the highs, right? Of $3. I told you guys, just be careful with these plays. These are pump and dumper plays, man. Just be careful when entering these plays. Even though the float was low, sure, just don't touch pharmaceuticals. That's all I can give you as an advice from me to y'all. Either way, let's keep on going back to the show. All right, what is next? I'll talk about steals in the end. Back to my girl, UPST. UPST, where's she at? UPST. That's wifey right there. She's been making me money, but unfortunately, it's still down. Oh, it broke that line. No, it's already been breaking that line. It hasn't broke actually below the $24 mark. I was expecting it to break below 30. It almost did today. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Like I said, wait till the IV cools down, right? And it is cooling down. Look at those call options. Well, those are August. Look at September's falling off like a cliff, bro. Just don't get in now. They just keep on dropping. Just don't get in now. Wait, wait, wait. Wait till, we get closer to September 15 OPEX. It might be a possibility to enter. It's just too expensive right now. If I was to play UPST, like I said, I would wait probably till it hits 30 or below 30 and maybe get those January calls. I'm loving how they're dropping. Like, let's look at like I like to get out the money calls. So if you look at the $60 calls, they're 2,500. Right now, they're 275. Pre-run, they're at 235. So I'm loving that right there. Let it keep dropping. I'll scoop them up once you get down to a decent level. Just be careful regarding UPST. Let's wait till it drops a little bit more. Next stock is CVNA. Like I said, they're all in the same basket, right? So CVNA is down as well. I'm surprised it's still holding up. Um, yeah, I'm surprised it's still holding up. I want to say this is what, January? Yeah, yes, let's say, yeah, let's put it right here. So $31 is the next line. Maybe would it hit? I don't think so. I think it's going to consolidate over here. Like I said, if you look at the option chain, they just keep on going down. The call options keep on dropping. IV keeps on dropping. And that makes perfect sense to get back in, but not right now. I'm not sure if insiders have sold in CVNA. Let's check it out. Carvana insiders. Come Come on, come on, come on. All right, so insiders, you see that's when they sold. They all sold right here, right? So if you look, it was everybody that sold. CFO, everybody, they sold right at the top at August 1st. So I'm just waiting until either they buy or some news comes out. But until then, I wouldn't touch it. The market's playing just some, I don't know, the market's iffy right now. So just be careful. Like I said, if you're not skilled in trading, don't trade now. I would say really wait till you're really losing money. I'll be honest with you guys, you're really losing money trading now. Wait till like interest rates start going down, inflation starts cooling off, and then maybe it might be a time to re-enter. Next play is this one. Okay, Netflix. Let's go to Netflix real quick. Netflix is really interesting. So as you can see, Netflix is just on a downwards trend, right? Let's see if we can put up some lines right now. Oh, I would say, yeah, let's do it from here, actually. I would say, yeah, let's do this. Like, right, wow, look at that beautiful line right there. 355. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna hit 355. Maybe, but I'm hearing right now, well, 382. Maybe 382 makes more sense. I'm hearing right now that the strike might be resolved by next month. And if that does, it's a huge rip for Netflix. So it could be a potential play. I'm loving the IV though. Look at the IV. Cool down. It cooled the fuck down. Like, look at that shit. Every time it drops, these contracts are falling off the cliff. I remember these October calls. Oh no, that was the August. I remember they were pre-earning was $300-400, and then they dropped right after earnings to like $15. So just be very careful. If I would play Netflix, I would probably hold. I like to get out the money calls, so maybe like October's. Like I said, if it keeps on dropping, that's better for me. Cheaper calls. But yeah, that's what's up with Netflix. Be careful. Just get ready, for the news that the strikes deal is almost done. Next play is yellow. I already warned you guys about this. Once it goes to the OTC market, it's done. It's done. And there you go. Dead play. Um, Crypto. So BTC. Goddamn, BTC broke, I think, one of my lines right here. Oh, I actually went back up, but yeah, I'm watching this line right here. This is the daily chart. Actually, yeah, I broke that line. So next line I'm watching is maybe the 25K mark for Bitcoin. And you see when that happens, these ones all die. Hut, look at that right there, straight to the floor. From $4.50 to $2.45. Mara, same situation, $20 to $12. Riot. Where's Riot at? Riot. 1182. And this is not bad because guess what? Like I said, cheap calls. We can scoop up for January. IP still way too high, but as we keep dropping, I would literally look at these $20 calls, but I want them for like, I won't lie to you, I probably even want them for like $40. $100 way too much for these. That expire in December. Same thing with Riot. December calls, $20. I want them for, like I said, less than, they gotta be like, yeah, they're almost pre-run. So I would say less than $50 if I'm watching it. But like I said, you can watch Bitcoin. It looks like it broke out that line. So another downwards trajectory. And then the last thing is my stock right now that I'm in, I guess my last play of the year, which is US Steel and IEP. Well, let me do IEP right now. IEP. IEP is looking good. It's just that volume is so low, spread is fucked. Like, oh man, the struggle is real with this one. Man, yeah, the struggle is really weird. I don't know. I don't know. To play IEP, I might just say, well, fucking just move some January calls that expire, or like maybe even further out March calls that expire. Man, the spread is fucked. Maybe January 2024 for like the $35 strikes. Maybe that might make more sense. Um, get in. But yeah, the spread is just so fucked. I don't know. I'll see how I'd play it. Back to US Steel, which I'm watching right now. Um, like I said, I think that Steel bidding goodbye. Miss Steel. Yes, like I said, the Steel's almost done right now. I think Esmark's going to take it. So if they do, they're offering for $35 a share. $35 a share. I don't know how it's going to be with our calls that are further out the money because I own some 39s, some 40s, and as well some 38, 39s, some 38s, 40s in October. So I don't know how that's going to play out. If you look at Activision, Activision was sold for um, what's that? Where's Act? Yeah, right here. So they were sold at $90 a share, right? And if you look at the calls, out the money calls, they're you see they're nothing. The spread is so bad. Oh man. So I don't know how I'm gonna play steals. What I'm thinking of doing and what I think other people should do, have a limit order set. And like I said, when it pops and people try to buy your calls out the money, maybe you could clear and make a bag off it. Don't put a ridiculously high number, but if you're holding calls for like anything above 35, just have an open order set. So just in case it clears, it clears. IV is still pretty low, but I don't know. Might be interesting. Let's see how it goes. Other than that, that's all I'm watching for today. Market's looking shit like always. Yeah, if you're not really ready to trade the market, just don't risk it. Don't lose your money. Um, it is a weird. Yeah, it's not looking that good. And with the data from China, it's not looking that good. Oh yeah, and the Hawaii banks, Hawaii Electric, there you go. Another drop right there today, down 20%. Um, and what's another play? Hawaii Bank. Where's the Hawaii Bank? I'm surprised the bank's actually up today. But it is what it is. Either way, that's what I'm watching. Watch steals, be careful in GNS, and don't get caught holding the bag. All right, guys, peace out.